Looking for a cake pan that actually delivers flawless results without the hassle? The USA Pan 9-inch round cake pans promise just that: easy release, even baking, and cleanup that won't eat up your time. If you've struggled with cakes sticking to the pan or pans warping over time, these might be the solution you've been waiting for. I've used these pans myself, and the difference is clear. The secret lies in the patented Americoat Plus coating, a silicone-based, nonstick surface that's free from PTFE, PFOA, and BPA. This means your cakes slide right out, no stubborn sticking, no crumbled edges. I baked a carrot cake recently, following the recipe's advice to use baker's spray and parchment paper, but honestly, I could have skipped those steps. The cake slipped out effortlessly, with a perfect golden crust and moist center. Plus, cleanup was a breeze. Just hot water, mild soap, and a gentle scrub. No scrubbing or soaking required. What sets USA Pan apart is not just the coating. These pans are made in the USA by the Bundy family, who have been crafting high-quality bakeware for over 50 years. They use aluminized steel and heavy-gauge steel construction, which ensures even heat distribution so your cakes bake uniformly every time. The unique fluted surface design promotes air circulation and strengthens the pan, helping it resist warping even after frequent use. This set includes two 9-inch pans, each measuring a full 9 by 25 inches, perfect for classic cakes like chocolate, red velvet, or carrot. Whether you're a casual baker or someone who loves to impress with homemade desserts, these pans give you the professional-grade performance you need without the commercial price tag. They're durable, reliable, and built to last, qualities that make a real difference in your baking routine. If you're tired of pans that wear out quickly or cakes that stick and crumble, the USA Pan 9-inch round cake pans are worth a look. They offer what matters most: consistent results, easy cleanup, and a long-lasting tool you can trust in the kitchen. Try them when you're ready to elevate your baking experience without extra fuss. Ready to bake like a pro? These pans are available now and have earned top reviews from home bakers across the country. One user even called them the best pans ever, praising how their cakes slid out perfectly and baked evenly. If that's you, someone who wants dependable bakeware that works as hard as you do, give USA Pan a try. Your cakes and your cleanup routine will thank you.